Is your Google Drive starting to feel messy and difficult to navigate? If you're spending too much time searching for files, a little organization can make a huge difference. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to organize Google Drive files and folders efficiently in 2026. So, let's clean things up and make Drive easier to use. First, think about the major categories of files you store in Google Drive. These could be work projects, personal documents, photos, school materials, or client files. Create a few main folders that match those categories. Keeping the structure simple makes everything easier to find later. For example, a projects folder could contain separate folders for each client or project. Try not to create too many layers. A simple folder structure is usually easier to manage than a deeply nested one. Now start moving files into their appropriate folders. You can drag and drop files or use the Move option from the File menu. Grouping related files together helps reduce clutter and makes future searches much faster. One of the easiest ways to stay organized is by using clear and consistent file names. Include meaningful titles, dates, or project names whenever possible. Naming files properly today can save a lot of frustration later. If there are files you access frequently, use the star feature. Starred files appear in a dedicated section, making them easier to find. This is especially useful for documents you use every day. Even with a well-organized drive, the search bar remains one of your most powerful tools. You can search by file name, file type, owner, or other filters. So if your drive grows over time, these search tools can help you locate files in seconds. And that's how to organize your Google Drive files and folders. A simple folder structure, clear file names, and a few built-in tools can make your storage much easier to manage. A little organization now can save hours of searching later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.